In this video, I'm gonna show you the lazy way to $50 a day. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my Make Money Online videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys a process and a strategy that you can actually implement in your online business to actually generate $50 days pretty easy and very lazy. Let's gonna jump over to the laptop and get to it. All right guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video, and before we actually get into how we're going to be generating a lazy $50 a day, I want to do two different things. Number one, I want to go ahead and congratulate the comment winner from the last video. Enjoy the climb. Enjoy the climb. You are the winner of the contest for having the best comment. So you can actually go ahead and drop your PayPal email address in the comments below, and I will send you over the $25. So congratulations and thank you for supporting the channel. Second of all, in this video today, guys, we're going to be showing you how you can actually start generating an easy, lazy $50 a day. But then after the video, so stay tuned to the end, I'm actually going to give you guys access to some new training that's going to help you actually start generating 4-figure days. So we're going to be learning about how to generate $50 days, but when you're ready to take it up to that next level, we're going to show you how you can actually start generating 4-figure days with some training that you're going to get access to, just by giving away some free stuff. And it's super cool, and I want you guys to consume that content. So let's go and jump into the content of this video, and we're going to be showing you how you can actually generate a lazy $50 a day. And today we're going to be focusing in on the affiliate network, the Warrior Plus, and there's a specific reason why I want to focus on this particular network, and it's basically because the products that you're going to find in this network, and they're in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche, but the products you're going to find in this network are all very low cost products. So they're going to range from $7 to about $20 for their front end products for these courses. And the reason why you can pretty much make very easy money with these type of products is because they're basically so irresistible. The sales pages are usually really good, and a lot of the courses are good too. I actually do review a lot of these courses, and I actually pick up a lot of nuggets from reviewing a lot of these courses, but they're so irresistible because it's only $7 and $10 and $15. And so what ends up happening is, as long as you can get some qualified traffic to these particular offers, you're going to be able to make a lazy $50 a day. But there is a strategy that you need to put in place in order to actually do that, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you guys how to pick the product that you're going to want to sell within Warrior Plus. So I just popped in here, and I'm just going to talk about this first product that we see here. You can see it launched a couple days ago. It already has 1,000+ sales. It's converting at 12%, which is a great conversion rate. And then here's a couple things that you want to kind of pay attention to. So the goal is to make $50 a day. What you want to do is you want to promote a product that is converting and that is generating more than its front end sales. So we're going to go into the sales funnel in a second, but you can already see here where it says average sale is $29.48. So basically the average sale is about $30 right here. And the visitor value, this is going to be like your per click value. So this is saying for about every click on average that you're sending to this particular product, we're going to take a look at it, it's generating close to $4 a click, right? And people are making about $30 per sale. So we're only making, if you want to make $50 a day, you would only need to make, 2 of these sales, and you would be over the $50 goal. So let's go ahead and look into this product a little bit deep. So this product is called Infinity. And if I clicked over here to products, you can actually see the sales funnel here, right? So the front end product is $12.95, and you're going to get 100% of that. And then the rest of the product funnel which it looks like a very deep funnel, has a lot of upsells and downsells in here, you would make 50% on the rest of the product funnel. So there's a lot of money to be made in here. So when we looked at this average sale of $30, the reason why the average sale is $30 is because people are buying these upsells. So you know that this is probably a high converting product. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead, of course, if you wanted to promote this product, you would have to request approval to promote it. And then the next thing you want to do is look at the sales page. And you want to just make sure that the sales page resonates with you. You want to make sure that, it looks good. Does the sales video actually captivate you? Does it make you want to purchase this product? Like, that's what you need to be thinking about when you're looking at products to promote. Like, how is it captivating you? Like, does it pique your interest? Do you want to spend $12 to purchase this? And if it does, then likely it's probably a good sales video, and you may want to go ahead and start promoting it. And you can see it says, here's the title. It says turn $1 into 5, 10, or even more all day long with this proven system that drives insanely fast profits in under 24 hours. So very, very good headline here. It definitely piques your curiosity, and I'm sure the video probably is good as well. So, okay, say we have this product and we want to sell this product, right? The next thing you're going to want to do is you want to set up a simple squeeze page to actually collect some email addresses, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending traffic to this product. But before we send it to this product, we want to collect email addresses so that we can follow up with these leads, these prospects, these people, because if they're interested in this, they may be interested in other products. Plus, they may not buy this product on day one, but they may buy it on day 2 or day 3. Maybe times they may need a little bit more, communication, and that's what you're going to be doing with your autoresponder. So basically what we're going to do is we want to create a quick squeeze page, and we're going to do that in ClickFunnels. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with ClickFunnels, it's basically a software that you can actually create squeeze pages and thank you pages and sales funnels and all sorts of things that you would need to promote your products and services. You can do that through ClickFunnels. And basically what I would do is, if I were you, is I would create a quick squeeze page, and you don't have to be some tech genius in order to create these squeeze pages. But I basically just pulled out a simple squeeze page that I found within ClickFunnels, because they give you tons of templates. So basically I would just use one of these templates that ClickFunnels already gave me, and then I would create a quick squeeze page, and I would use the information from the sales page to create my squeeze page here, and then we would actually promote the product on the other side of the squeeze page. So, here's a template, and it basically says, here I would create the best curiosity-based headline I can dream of, where people can discover how to whatever. So this is a template that ClickFunnels will actually give you. And what I would do personally, guys, is I would just use the same headline. This headline, clearly it's been tested and it's proven, because it already has 1,000+ sales. It's converting at 12%. Why reinvent the wheel? A lot of people are trying to create these squeeze pages, and they're trying to come up with their own crafty messages to get people to opt in, and it's not working. So I would just use this actual headline here. I would literally copy and paste it, or just type it in. It may not look good if I just dropped it in here, but essentially I would change the headline, and it would be the same exact headline as what is on the squeeze page. And it also kind of makes it congruent, because you're going to be sending people to the squeeze page right after you send them this. So of course I would probably make it a little bit more prettier. Maybe I would reduce the font a little bit and just kind of make it look a lot nicer than what it looks now. But essentially is you're going to create the squeeze page, you're going to use that headline, they're going to opt in, and once they opt in, you'll have them redirected back to this sales page where they'll be able to see this video, and then you can get buyers straight from this. Now, where do you get the traffic from, right? So what you want to do is you want to find people that are already interested in these types of products. So one of the fastest ways you can do that, if you don't have a list already, because if you have a list, you can just send this directly to your list. You can actually do what we call solo ads. So what solo ads are basically people that have created lists in your niche, and they've amassed a large amount of email addresses of people that may be interested in the products and services that you actually recommend. So what you could do is you could go over to this website called udemy.com, and these people are in the make money online, affiliate marketing, biz op, internet marketing niches. So these people have amassed a list of people that will be interested in these types of products. Now, there is a method to the madness in terms of picking these people. I'll actually link a card in the video here. So if you guys want to see that video, you can go ahead and jump over to that video. I'll leave it in the description so you guys can see the criteria of how I would go through here and find people to send my solos to. But essentially, guys, you can find people in here that will send out a solo. You can get 100 clicks, basically meaning 100 visitors to your squeeze page here for like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, right? So you're gonna get 100 people sent to your squeeze page. And if your squeeze page converts at like 40, 50%, that means you'll have 40 to 50 people that will actually go through your squeeze page, and then they'll be able to see this offer. So if you have 50 people that actually is going to see this offer, with how this offer is converting right now, it's saying it's converting at like 12%, that means you can make somewhere between 5 or 6 sales technically from the averages that this is given. But you do have to factor in that this traffic that you're going to be getting from Udemy is cold traffic. So not only do they not know you, they may not even know this person or this vendor, but still it's converting very well. So instead of saying it's going to make 5 or 6 sales, I would just say maybe it'll make 1 or 2 sales. And even at one sale, say you make $30, right? Because the average sale is 30 bucks. So say you make $30, right, on one sale, and you still have 50 people that are in your funnel. The good thing about what's going to happen next is you're going to have a follow-up system, right, in your Aweber or your GetResponse or however you're following up with people. And then you're going to have follow-up messages, right? Those follow-up messages are going to be going out and going out and going out. And as time goes through, you can recommend this product, you know, next 4, 5, 7 days, and you can continue sending them back to this course and getting them to actually try to purchase the product. Now, once you do that, say you're tired of promoting this particular product, then all you would need to do is you would just go right back to the Warrior Plus, and then you could find another product that you want to promote, and then just add that product into the follow-ups and then start promoting that product to the leads that you're continuing to build. So what ends up happening is you're sending people through this one squeeze page, and then, you know, hopefully you'll get some buyers from that. You know, first you get that one sale that's going to make you at least $30. Then you're probably going to make some additional sales, because typically you make most of your money in the follow-ups. So you'll probably make another 2, 3, 4 sales in the follow-ups. And then you can go back and then start promoting other products that list may be interested in as well. And again, you just add that to the follow-ups and they'll get those messages, and then you can continue just generating $50 a day on an ongoing, consistent basis. And all you really need to do is just keep feeding that funnel, feeding that one squeeze page, and then have those other products coming in, and then the money will just keep coming in. You will see that if you actually do this strategy and follow the system, then people will keep coming through your funnel and you'll continue to generate sales. Now, some of you guys are going to say, well, if you're continuing to sell, you're going to burn out your list. And that's true to a degree. Any internet marketer, I don't care who they are, they're always going to burn out their list over time. And that's why it's important that you continue to put leads into the front end of your funnel. The second thing that you can actually do to try to mitigate burning out your list is to provide some additional value. So right here, what we've done, this is kind of the lazy way to do it. You could just do a squeeze page and then just load up, you know, products and email addresses and just let it go. So it's kind of a lazy way, and over time you just see those $50 come in. It may even be more than $50, right? It could be $100. But this is just kind of like the averages that I'm trying to give you guys. But if you want to try to mitigate in burning out your list so fast, what you can do is between some of these messages that you're sending out here, what you want to do is you want to try to send out a little bit of value. You can actually do that yourself by creating personal videos about training, about whatever you're doing in your online business, or you can just be providing some stuff that will help your audience. So you could go over to websites like the PLR store and find video contents that you have the rights to give away. and give away, information about CPA marketing or blogging or Fiverr or affiliate marketing or whatever the case may be. You can find these products, and if you have the giveaway rights, you can give that information to your list, which will help build some trust and rapport with your subscribers. And then, that'll mitigate some of the people from getting burnt out so quickly. And you can also go over to masterresellrights.com as well to find products that you can give away. But anything that you can give away in terms of like training or cheat sheets or just tools or something that you can show them to like just build your relationship, build the trust, and help them to stay on your list. Because if they feel like they're getting some value, they're definitely going to stay on there and they'll check your emails. And just by the averages of the clicks that you'll be getting throughout the follow-up series, you'll start generating that $50 a day. So that is basically the strategy, guys. I hope that kind of made sense. I know it kind of took a while to explain that to you guys, but if you have any questions, you can actually leave that in the comment section. Now, I do want to tell you guys about this training that I'm going to give you guys access to. Basically, it's some complimentary training, and this is going to be all about generating 4-figure days with your online business. So what you're going to be learning in this training is the big secret to figuring out how to generate 4-figure days online. You're also going to get a complimentary affiliate playbook, and you're going to get a training on how to get floods of traffic to your website for 0 cost. And then you're going to actually get access to a 60-minute video on how to build a business without selling anything. This is some great information. So, go ahead and get access to this information. I will have a link in the description where you can get access to this training. I actually just went through it all myself, all good stuff, and you guys can enjoy the training yourself. So there'll be a link in the description. Go ahead and access that. And that is all I have for this particular video today. Make sure you guys like the video if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.